So SheetsIE is an add-on for Google Sheets, which allows you to set up systems that to transfer data between spreadsheets and CSV files and the like. So the idea is to give you more functionality and flexibility than just copy and pasting or using the built-in import functions. So if we go through it, when you install the add-on and run the setup process, it creates a couple of sheets for you. The main one of which is this one, the import settings sheet. And in here, on the left-hand side, you specify the destination of the data. And then you specify where the data is coming from. And the key bit of information here is what sort of data it is, what sort of file it is. So you can bring it in from CSV files, whether that's CSVs separated by commas or by semicolons, tab separated files, other Google Sheets, Excel files or OpenOffice files. As long as they're in your Google Drive, you can transfer the data. So that allows you to connect multiple sheets to multiple other sheets and transfer the data around wherever you want to. And then further along to the right, you can specify exactly what you want to transfer. So over here, you can specify which rows to copy and which columns. So that will allow you to specify a block of data to bring over from a source tab. If you want to be more precise about it, if you want to get particular columns or particular rows, you can write a query using Google's query language to put in this column to specify for that particular transfer exactly what data you want to transfer. And then further across, you can specify the how you want to schedule those imports. So over here, you can click the button on the sidebar and it will import it straight away. Or you can set it up to run on a trigger every hour. And hourly is the most frequent that you can run with a Google add-on. And then within that hour trigger, these settings allow you to specify for each individual row, each individual transfer that you're doing, if you want it to run less frequently than every hour. So you can specify that it runs on a particular day of the month or a particular day of the week, and then within that, what hour of the day you want it to run. And if you're setting that, you can also set this up to say to notify you by email if when it's run. And over here on these columns, it will record when it was last imported. So please give it a try. And if you do, let us know what you think. I find it very useful for my purposes. I hope you do too.